Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about Seminoles for my project at school. Now, fun fact, Seminoles, actually one of their nicknames were the Chickies or the Cheekies, also known as their house. Don't know why they were called that, but, well, maybe it's going to be a mystery. Now, for the first part of my project, I have to do about the Seminoles culture and where they lived. And they lived in Florida and Texas and Georgia, mainly in the Everglades of Florida and southern Georgia, and around Austin in Texas and Dallas, Texas, and those places. And so they used to walk great miles a long way. And in the Everglades, actually, they actually bathed by water like we do, and their tools were different. We'll get to that part. And the second one was, these are questions I found online that I might have the answers to. Question 1. Why did the Seminoles go to war a lot? Well, my answer is for territory and food. And actually, for the skins of the animal, mostly horse and buffalo. But actually, another fun fact, we already know this in school, that horse were actually brought down from Europe. So, also, pigs and chickens and sheep and actually almost everything we have here, thanks to Europe and Asia and stuff, we have them. It was called the Columbian trade. We'll get into that. Question 2. What other Indians did the Seminoles fight, not counting their own selves? Yes, they used to fight themselves, because those other Seminoles in different lands that they didn't know, so they fought them for territory. And the other Seminoles were the Apalachee, the Calusa, and the Cheyenne. Apalachee and Cheyenne were the most because they walked great distances. And so, sorry, I have a hard time with that word. So they would walk into Florida not knowing what they were doing and try to eat food there, but they were taking the Seminoles' food, so the Seminoles had to go to war with them. But Calusas were more in other states. They rarely walked into Florida for fights and stuff. Now, question 3, the last one. Why was there any other, was there any other kind of Seminoles? Actually, my answer is yes, the black Seminoles. There were black people in each group because Europe brought down African Americans to work in their plantations. And so that's actually what started slavery. In 1492. And so, in 1492 is when Columbus came. Then other people started coming with them after, and when they started bringing girls with them, they brought some African Americans from Africa to help on the plantations. And so when the African Americans helped, they were a lot stronger than the Europeans, but they were about the same strength as Seminoles. But Europeans wanted to do all the work. Then when they stopped, they brought African Americans. So actually, every Indian group had African Americans, and